Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your phone camera to TikTok Live Studio. First open your browser, search for TikTok Live Studio and download it from the official website. Once the download is complete, install the software and open it on your PC. After logging in, you will see this interface. In here, add the phone camera source. Once that's done, a QR code will appear on your screen. You can connect your phone using either Wi-Fi or a USB cable. The easiest method is Wi-Fi, but make sure your PC and phone camera are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now open the TikTok app on your phone and go to the live section. Now select mobile gaming, then tap on share camera. After that, scan the QR code displayed in TikTok Live Studio and confirm the connection on your PC. That's it, your phone camera is now connected and ready to use in TikTok Live Studio. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.